How to recover deleted photos or video on iPhone. There is one condition you need to meet before you can recover deleted photo or video on your iPhone. This must be within the range of 30 days. After 30 days, you will not get access to that photo again. It will be completely removed from your device. So let's take a look at one or two things here. To delete a photo here, you can tap and hold for a few seconds, then tap on this delete button, tap on this. You can see that deleted for 30 days. Tap on delete this photo, that has been removed. Then you can also tap on this select button, then just a simple tap, it highlights that particular photo you want to delete. Tap on it again and tap on delete, then tap on delete this button. Boom. So you have been able to delete 2 photos here. Now, if peradventure, after you've deleted this photo and you rethink that, oh, that picture or video is very important, you should have deleted them then, and it's still for between 30 days, you can as well recover them as soon as you rethink or you decide. Then go to the photo apps on your iPhone again and tap on it. Once you tap on it, make sure you come over to the collection. In some old iPhone, it is album. So tap on collection. Under collection, then scroll up until you get to this button that says deleted. You can see, tap on it. Now here you need your Face ID or your passcode to unlock it. So tap on this button and it's unlocked. Now you have the picture I've just deleted from it. Now you can recover this picture one after the other. Tap on it for a few seconds, tap on recover. That has been recovered. If you want to do that one after the other, and as well you can recover everything with just a single tap. Tap on this select button, then tap on these 3 dots, then tap on recover all. Be sure you are tapping on recover or not on delete. Tap on recover all. You can see that recover 4 item. Tap on it one more time, that will be recovered. So let's tap back and feel what will just be recovered on this device. You can see this and this other 2. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to recover deleted photos or video on iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.